Hey guys, this is Way with the Streaming Center. So we've been doing broadcasting for well over 12 years, and we understand how things, work. People don't realize that it takes a lot of resources. I'm not talking about financials. I'm talking just resources on your computer, resources as far as bandwidth, internet, all these different things play into how well your broadcast is when you're trying to broadcast live. So what we do here is we try to make it easier for people like you to be able to broadcast live. So let's talk about this product called Social Livecaster. Social Livecaster takes all this hard stuff and makes it simple for you. It doesn't require you to have a massive broadcast computer or have massive internet access or massive bandwidth on your internet. You don't need all that. All you have to do is sign up for a Social Livecaster account. What we do is we take that one signal right from your computer, right from your cell phone, and we take it, put it into the servers and broadcast it live for you on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook channel, on your Periscope page, on your Twitch page. Now, it can be multiple pages. You can have 2 or 3 YouTube channels, 2 different Facebook pages, 2 different Periscopes, and it won't take any additional resources off your computer or your bandwidth to make sure that everyone's getting a HD quality broadcast. So if you want more information about how this works and how easy it is, give us a call. 888-801-1563. That's 888-801-1563. Or if you want, you can text us. Text us at 404-400-3977. That's 404-400-3977. And we can help you get going. If you say, hey, wait, I heard enough, I'm ready to go to our website right now, thestreamingcenter.com. Click on TV channel streaming. You'll see some options there for Social Livecaster. You can get signed up right now. Get going for as little as $11 a week. All right, guys. Again, I'm Way with the Streaming Center. For more information, give us a call. Visit our website, streamingcenter.com, and we can get you signed up and put all the different devices down and just focus on one camera. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.